I'm here. Hello, hello. Hello, I'm here.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, we will start the lesson right now because the time is running. Okay, so you were so good to learn by heart all the word in the previous lesson. So today we will study this stats. Okay, can you tell me what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? How how many pieces? How many pieces of furniture and household item can you identify?
Okay.
Furniture. What a furniture is mean?
Furniture.
Furniture
Mm,
is mean đồ đạc trong nhà. For example, for example, everything you can for example, the bed. The bed is one of the furniture. So tell me, what can you see?
I can see a screen.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, how many boys and girls in the on the picture? How many boys and how many girls?
Uh, Two boys.
Okay, what are they doing?
Playing the guitar and play computer game.
Okay. And what about the girl?
Mm, she listen the music.
Okay. Because we have to find the furniture. Furniture mean những đồ vật ở trong nhà. For example, the bed. So can you find for me in the picture one? What can you see? I have just draw in the slide. What it is?
Mm, is
It's on the goal. What it is?
I don't know.
It is a picture.
Ah,
And what about this?
mm,
Look,
is
look at the line that I draw on the screen. The first is
book
it is bookcase. And
bookcase.
okay. And the object it is under the MacBook. What it is? Under the MacBook. It is a desk. And behind the boys, what it is? We often lie on it to sleep. It is a
Mm,
bed.
yes.
Okay. So the second photo, we can find a bed, a lamp, a chest of drawers, and the rug. Rug, what does this mean? Rug. What does this mean? Rug, what does this mean? It means cái thảm. Cái thảm.
Carpet.
Cái thảm. Okay.
Wow.
We
Okay.
move to this. I draw a lot of. Okay. Can you pronounce of the words in this list. Say out loud. Để con thử đọc tất cả các từ này nha.
Bring.
Okay. The second word is.
Sao chị đứng nhóc đi thôi.
The second word is.
Nó cũng cắt lên. Nhanh. Tại mẹ hết chứ. Không có nói gì đâu.
The second word is. Can you pronounce the second word? Repeat after me. Okay, can you listen to the audio?
Yes.
Repeat after
Cozy.
the. Okay. Repeat. Tidy.
Warm.
No.
Tidy.
Okay. And what is this?
Untidy.
Yes. And the final words.
Relaxing.
Relaxing. It is the word that describes you can have, helping you to rest and become less anxious. If you don't know this word, you can note down it on the notebook. Relaxing means thư giãn. Tidy. Untidy and tidy is opposite. Tidy means clean. So what does this mean? Tidy. Gọn gàng, ngăn nắp. And what about untidy? What does this mean?
Untidy là không gọn gàng ạ.
Yes, and cozy.
Là
It's very warm and comfortable and safe. We often say that I am living in a cozy atmosphere. So cozy means ấm áp. You can write. You can write
yes.
the new word. Can I change the slide? Have you finished to write?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Actually, the aim of the task one when we in the previous we have two pictures. Okay, do you remember? In the previous lesson we have two pictures, two boys and a girl. Do you remember? Do you remember this task? What? Two boy and the girl. We do this task to compare. So
comparing
compare.
the contrasting.
Yes, comparing and contrasting mean so sánh và phản chiếu. We will use the some grammar. So help me to read out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Help me to read out loud the grammar. Giúp cô đọc các cái cấu trúc màu đen nè. Okay. The first one is.
First one. The first photo show. Whereas the second photo show.
Night.
In the first photo, but in the second photo, you can see in both photos show.
Speculating. What does this mean? Speculate. Can you guess? Speculate. What does this mean?
Speculate. Dự đoán.
Yes. Say it out loud. The first is it looks as if. Next, the second is nào con đọc các cái sau nha. I would say that I think properly. Perhaps he, she, it, they look.
Okay.
He, she, it looks plus adjective. So we often use some of the grammar to describe the speculating or comparing and contrasting. For example, when you want to speculate the tomorrow event. For example, this sentence, tôi sẽ nói rằng ngày mai trời sẽ mưa. Okay, have me to do this sentence. What grammar will you say?
Look, I would say that. I think probably.
No, I mean you make a sentence. Tôi sẽ nói rằng ngày mai trời sẽ mưa. So this sentence is I would say that tomorrow it will rain.
Perhaps he, she, it, they.
Yes.
They look cộng adjective. He, she, it looks cộng với adjective.
Yes. Okay. To be more clear, we can do the text too. So the first, help me to read all the words in the box. Read all the words in the box. Con đọc tất cả các từ từ ở trong này nha. Okay, so the first box is help me to read all the vocabulary on the box. Bright.
Con có tiền đâu, có gọi được đâu.
Okay, bright. What does this mean?
Bright.
Bright. What does this mean?
Mượn à?
No. Bright. We have just study in the previous slide. Bright mean sáng. Okay, comfortable. What does this mean? Dễ chịu. Cozy. What does this mean? Cozy. It's very warm. So what does this mean? All the words we have the study in the previous slide. So help me to read out loud the word in the box. Help me
Máy
to...
không có đâu mà. Máy của mày đâu? Máy của mẹ mày chứ, máy của mày đâu?
Okay, focus on our lesson.
Đang học. Mày chú ý vào mày học. Đập cho mày cái bây giờ đấy.
Read all the words in the box. Help me to read the words in the box. Can you hear me? I have this.
Yes.
You read all the words in the box.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Cozy.
Yes.
Dark.
Yes.
Large.
Yes.
Relaxing.
Relaxing.
Small. Tidy. Uncomfortable. untidy,
Yes, so tell me four pairs of opposites in the list. Bây giờ con sẽ nêu
mm,
những cặp từ nào trái nghĩa nhau nha. So bright, bright, bright will be
bright,
opposite to bright. It is opposite to
dark,
yes. Comfortable,
uncomfortable,
yes. Large, large, large.
small,
Yes. And the final tidy. Oh, sorry. Tidy. Tidy is opposite to tidy. Tidy is opposite to what?
untidy.
Very good. Okay, so describe the following rooms in your home. Use three adjectives for each one. Okay, look at the box. So tell me about the house by using the word in the box. For example, uh, does the house, is the house comfortable for you to study? Is the house large or small? Is the house large or small? Okay, you are living in the house, yes or no? You are living in your house, yes or no?
Yeah,
Are you okay? Are you living in the house?
yes,
Is this large or small?
small.
You say that it is small.
This is small.
Yes. Is it tidy or untidy?
This is tidy.
You can say that my house is tidy, okay? Okay, so is the house comfortable or uncomfortable? Is the house comfortable or uncomfortable? Is the house dark or bright? Is the
Uh,
house dark or bright?
bright.
Okay. Do you love your house? And tell me why you love.
Um,
Do you love your house? Do you love it?
mm,
Do you love? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, I do.
yes, I do.
Okay. Okay, so um, is the kitchen in the house large or small?
My kitchen is small.
What about bedroom?
My bedroom is small too.
Yeah. What about the living room?
The living
Living.
room is large.
Yes, thank you. Okay, now we will have listen. Uh, in which phrases did the student use when I play the audio? Try to listen. What are they doing? And you will you will tick in comparing and contrasting and speculating. So remember to note it, okay? I will play the audio.
Yes.
Can you hear the audio that I have played? Can you hear? Can you hear the
Yes.
okay?
Gọi điện thoại số ông rồi. Cái này này nó cũng không nghe. Bác không nghe thì bà gọi lại. Không, đấy là gọi Zalo bác không nghe, gọi điện thoại đi. Lại còn gọi điện thoại nữa. Sao bác không nghe không em? Gọi Zalo bác có nghe đâu. Thì con phải hỏi mẹ mới được. Buồn khó quá rồi. Hỏi khẽ không? Được.
Okay. So we will do the comparing and contrasting. I will play again.
Cái này ở đâu nhưng mà mẹ tại nhà được đấy hả? Cái thầy bố, cái thầy con Lan đâu? Con bố
Okay.
ai đây này?
So the
Alo?
first box, do you tick? The first
À,
photo
phải
shows.
chưa?
Where else
Cái đấy
the
nhất hỏi con
second
Lan
photo
thôi.
shows? Do
Con,
you tick?
mọi người sai rồi con, có phải đâu?
Do you tick?
Dạ. Số của ai? Không phải con Lan. Mẹ con bấm đúng à? Vâng đúng có phải đâu?
Do you tick
Con
this?
hỏi lý do với mẹ là bác Trang nhỉ?
Hey, do you tick? Do you tick in this box? Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Oh.
No. Listen again. Okay, so they don't say that. They don't say the first photo shows. So continue to read to listen.
Mm, no.
Okay, so the second box, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, right. And the third, yes or no?
No.
Okay. And number four, yes or no?
No.
No. And next box, yes or no? The next box, yes or no?
It's it if
Okay. Yes or no? Speculating. The first one is yes or no? Yes or no? Speculating. It looks as if. Yes or no?
No.
No. I would say that. Yes or no?
Yes. Bà cứ đi.
I think probably. Yes or no?
Yes.
Perhaps. Yes or no?
No.
And the final, they look. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. We will check. You are true. Oh, it is true. You can see the audio say that. They also say that. And speculating. Yes, it's if. I would say that it is true. You are very good. Okay. So,
Chưa không còn chửi nó cái tội nó bó men điện thoại.
yeah. So try to remember in comparing and contrasting. The audio say that in the first photo, but in the second photo, they often use it to compare. Okay. And speculating. What does this mean? Speculate. What does this mean? Speculate. What does this mean? What does this mean in Vietnamese? Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
What does this mean in Vietnamese? Speculate.
Dự đoán ạ.
Yes. Okay, so today we study a lot of words to compare and contrast and speculate. So at
Đừng
home,
nói dứt khoát
try
rồi thì
to
sáng
study
alo
on
bé ơi thì
the
sáng là không đi
grammar.
được.
Oh, your home is so noisy. At home, try to remember to study all the words, okay?
Okay.
I will upload the homework on Zalo group. And actually today I have some internet and screen sharing problem. So in the next lesson, I will add some time for you to study. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry about my problem today. At home, I will have some exercise for you to do. So today I'm very happy to study with you. I hope that at home you can focus on studying the grammar because it's very important. So try it, okay? Về nhà con nhớ học thuộc các cấu trúc này để chúng mình làm bài nha. Okay, so bye bye
Okay.
and see you later. Bye.
Goodbye teacher.
Bye bye.
Đúng rồi.